Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by creating the render surface and your minimal state. Create a canvas or DOM element, size it to CSS and device pixel ratio, and attach it. Once done, set up an object for positions, velocities, and an initial timestamp. This is your single source of truth. Use request animation frame as the main loop and pass a bound tick function that receives a high-resolution timestamp. You do this so animation stays in sync with display refresh and adapts to frame drops. You should compute delta time each frame and clamp it to avoid teleporting on tab switches. Converting milliseconds to seconds keeps math intuitive. Then update motion. Apply forces or easing, update velocity, and integrate position using velocity times dt. Once state is updated, render. Clear the canvas and draw a path. Use save/restore and transforms, or set CSS transform for DOM elements for GPU-accelerated motion. Make these separation of concerns so logic remains testable and rendering stays optimized. To complete the animation, wire controls to start and stop the loop, pause when visibility changes, and free resources when done. Once running, measure performance with the browser profiler. Avoid layout thrashing by batching reads and writes, and prefer transform and opacity, which hit the compositor. If issues appear, log delta times and frame durations to find jank. If you see spikes, clamp DT or interpolate. One key troubleshooting tip. Check for unexpected synchronous DOM reads during render. They often cause frame drops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.